Florida. Look friends, this is a large sea. The seas are large bodies of salt water that are connected to oceans, and they are often partially surrounded by land. There are many cool creatures living in the sea, and these plants and animals are called marine life. Friends, the fishes are covered in scales which are often covered in a layer of slime. The fishes are covered in scales which are often covered in a layer of slime. Sea turtles, jellyfishes, octopuses, crabs, snails, shellfishes, starfishes are called sea animals. Let's start now. Who is this? This is starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Starfish. Let's introduce starfish. Starfish are a type of saltwater animal that has 5 arms. They can live in cold water areas like near the north and south poles. Do you know this animal? This is sea turtle. S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E. Sea turtle. S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E. Sea turtle. Let's introduce sea turtle. Sea turtle can hold their breath for 5 hours underwater. They live about 100 years. Who is this? This is jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Let's introduce jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones or eyes. Jellyfish mouth is found in the center of its body. Do you know this animal? This is squid. S-Q-U-I-D. Squid. S-Q-U-I-D. Squid. Let's introduce squids. Squids are remarkable ocean predators. Squid can change color and swim backwards by pushing water out from their bag-like bodies. Who is this? This is octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Let's introduce octopus. Octopus is ocean creature that are most famous for having 8 arms and bulbous heads. They have 3 hearts and blue blood. Do you know this fish? This is seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Let's introduce seahorse. Seahorses are a type of fish that get their name from their horse-like heads. Many seahorses can change their color in minutes. Who is this? This is clam. C-L-A-M. Clam. C-L-A-M. Clam. Let's introduce clam. Clams, oval-shaped shellfishes, are hinged by a stretchy ligament. They live in a variety of habitats muscular wings. Manta rays can be found in oceans all around the world, but are usually closer to the equator. Who is this? This is dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Dolphin. Let's introduce dolphin. Dolphins use a blowhole on top of their heads to breathe. Dolphins are very intelligent. They communicate with each other by whistling and other sounds. You know this fish? This is blue whale. B-L-U-E-W-H-A-L-E. Blue whale. B-L-U-E-W-H-A-L-E. Blue whale. Let's introduce blue whale. Blue whale is the largest living animal known to have ever existed on the earth. Blue whales have a very powerful and commanding voice. Who is this? This is shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Shark. Let's introduce shark. A shark has a remarkable sensitivity to vibrations in the water. A shark does not have a bone in its body. Instead, it has a skeleton. Do you know this animal? This is lobster. L-O-B-S-T-E-R. Lobster. L-O-B-S-T-E-R. Lobster. Lobster. Let's introduce lobsters. Lobsters are related to prawns and crabs. They have thin bodies covered in a hard shell. Each year a lobster will shed its shell and grow a new shell. Who is this? This is sea lion. S-E-A-L-I-O-N. Sea lion. S-E-A-L-I-O-N. Sea lion. Let's introduce sea lions. Sea lions swim using their long, powerful foreflippers and hind flippers. The average lifespan for sea lions in the wild is 20 years. Do you know this animal? These are crabs. C-R-A-B-S. Crabs. C-R-A-B-S. Crabs. C-R-A-B-S. Crabs. Let's introduce crabs. Crabs have 5 pairs of legs. There are more than 4,500 species of crabs. Most crabs live in coastal areas of salty, fresh or brackish water. Who is this? This is snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Snail. Let's introduce snails. Snails and slugs which breathe with a kind of a group, the Pulomonata. Most snail species are marine snails. Do you know this? These are penguins. P-E-N-G-U-I-N-S. Penguins. P-E-N-G-U-I-N-S. Penguins. Penguins. Let's introduce penguins. Penguins are flightless birds. While other birds have wings for flying, penguins have adapted flippers follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Please join with me in social media. Friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel KMP Education and don't forget press the bell icon and share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.